1. Introduction. Welcome viewers and introduce the importance of understanding finance for building a secure financial future. 2. Basics of investing. Explain the concept of investing and why it's crucial for wealth building. Discuss different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 3. Risk and return. Break down the relationship between risk and return in investments. Provide examples of low risk, low return, and high risk, high return investments. 4. Budgeting and saving. Emphasize the importance of budgeting to save money for investments. Share practical tips on creating a budget and cutting unnecessary expenses. 5. Emergency fund. Discuss the significance of having an emergency fund and how it contributes to financial stability. 6. Diversification. Explain the concept of diversifying investments to mitigate risk. Give examples of how a diversified portfolio can weather market fluctuations. 7. Understanding financial terms. Define key financial terms like compound interest, dividends, and capital gains. Help viewers grasp these concepts with real-world examples. 8. Financial planning tools. Introduce online tools and apps that can aid in financial planning and investment tracking. 9. Tips for long-term success. Share practical tips for long-term financial success, including the importance of patience and consistency. 10. Conclusion. Summarize key points and encourage viewers to take steps toward better financial understanding and planning. 1. Introduction. Welcome viewers.